everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoclose on the application of Hacoo. You will go to settings. In this page you will click on apps, default tabs, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Hacoo app and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.